guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because I have teamed up with a nonprofit organization, the Artist Post, and we're going to be giving back to the community. We've been raising funds all of the fall and winter season, half of the winter season. I believe it was since November, and we were able to raise about $500. So what we're doing is we're going to construct care kits for families in need. The care kits are going to consist of just basic necessities like water, toothbrushes, toothpaste, some food, non-perishable food, and cleaning wipes and socks. Just very basic things that families who need a little extra help can make use of. Come with me to go buy water. Okay, so I'm at Walmart and I'm here to get the water for the care kits and helping out the people in need. And we're probably gonna get this one because we're on a budget, but we still wanna help people. So let's load up the cart. The cart is loaded and it's super heavy, so let's go check out. I am sweating because water is really heavy, okay? It's heavy. Okay, so we have our water secured. Now we have to put the care packages together. Most of the stuff that we're putting in the care packages is from Amazon. And some stuff was donated, and some stuff came out of my own pocket because I also donated to the cause because I just believe in it and I'm really excited to help people and give back to the community. Let's construct the care kits together. Okay, so the lighting is weird in here because the sun is going down and it was like a rainy, cold day. But anyways, this is the stuff that we were able to get with the budget that we had, and the goal is to make 50 care packages. So we got some bags. I bought 50 gallon size bags. And this is what everything for the care package is supposed to fit in here. So we can do a test one together and see if everything fits. So we have bags, we have hand warmers, we have mini toothpaste. Everyone will be able to get 2 of these. We have pens, we have sketchbooks, that's exciting. We have socks are in here, socks. We have hair brushes, that's super exciting. And then we have all the toothbrushes in here. We also have non-perishable snacks. These are just, nut bars, so that's cool. So let's do one together and hope that everything that needs to fit in here fits. Okay, I went ahead and opened everything that's supposed to go in. So, except the pens. Okay, I'm opening them. Okay, so the nonprofit is called the Artist Post and they support artists. So the way that we're gonna, put that into this mission that we're doing is by giving them sketchbooks. So this is a mini sketchbook and it's just small and it's cute and it's something they can just put in their pocket and write their thoughts down. And they're gonna get a pen. We're gonna give them 2 toothpaste, a toothbrush, a hairbrush. We're gonna give them a hand warmer. What else? Oh yeah, socks. Socks. Everyone gets a pair of socks. Yay. And then they're gonna get 2 nut bars. I don't know if they're called nut bars, but we're gonna call them that. And I think that's everything for the care package. And we're also gonna be giving them water. We bought 7 cases of water. So hopefully that's enough for the 50 people that we're gonna be helping. I think it will be. So I'm really excited. And then for women, we are giving them maxi pads. So we're gonna be putting 3 in a bag at a time, and just kind of give them as we go, and whoever requests them or needs them, they're there for them. So that's really cool too. So that's the basics of our care packages. We got everything in here. We got a sketchbook, socks, a comb, 2 nut bars, hand warmers, a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a pen. So I think this is pretty good. And then we also have the maxi pads. So let me get everything organized so I can mass produce these bags. And give me 1 second. Okay, now we're gonna start mass producing these. So join me. And I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, that took way longer than I intended and expected, but it's done. So I'm really excited to pass these out. We have 50 care kits and we have 50 bags with maxi pads. Let me show you guys the care kits. These are the care kits with everything that we talked about. So that is super exciting, and I'm super excited to give these to people that need them. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna go pass these out. Stay tuned. Okay, so today's a big day. We're gonna pass out these bags to families in need. So I'm super excited. Y'all know I had to whip out the dad bod 3000s for this mission, okay? Oh yeah, swag. I am not sponsored by New Balance, but maybe one day they'll sponsor me, because these are the most comfiest shoes ever, I swear. Okay, these are really heavy. We have 3 giant bags full of the care packages that we made. So yeah. And then we have 1 giant tote full of mini bags with 3 pads in each for the lady. And it's a beautiful day outside, so I'm really excited. Let's go. Okay guys, we're about to be on our way downtown. I'm super excited. I got my team with me and we went ahead and set everything up. So we have all the water, we have all the care kits, and we have the pads. So it's gonna be a freaking awesome day. It's sunny, it's beautiful outside, and we're ready. Say la vie. It's a beautiful day downtown Houston. It's sunny, it's cute, and we are just having a great time. Okay, we just got done passing out everything to the families in need downtown in Houston, and we made friends along the way and met like really cool people, and it just felt really good to give back. So I think overall from doing this, I've learned that like people just want the greater good. Like it doesn't matter who you are, what you look like, what you're doing, or where you're at in life. Like at the end of the day, we all have the same goal of just being kind to each other and just wanting good in our lives. And I think that's a beautiful thing. And I'm just so grateful that God blessed us to be able to come out here and help other people. So I'm really happy. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and joining me on this journey. Till next time.